I don't know if I ever felt like this before, but I'm sure that the way I feel, I don't want it to go, 'cause I climb my shaft here.
Hey lovely, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Outre Converticap wig that I have in the style Glitz and Glam. I have it in the color 2, and y'all, just get into this. You can do so many different styles with these wigs. I do have another video on the Converticap wig, Bahama Mama, so if you want to check that out, that is on my channel. But yeah, here I'm just doing kind of like a show and tell. This isn't going to be a full review, just showing you some styles you can do. In the first clip, I did have like a twist in the front, and then right here I have the half up, half down. Obviously, I could have done my edges, but I was doing a few different styles, so I kind of just threw this together. The thing that I really love about this wig is obviously the curl pattern. If you did like a braid out and your hair is this same color, or you got it to blend with this, that would be flawless. You wouldn't have to wear this with like a headband or anything like that, because it would cover that edge to edge thing that they have going on in the front. Here I'm just showing the stock card. I love how Outre has included some styles that you can do right here on the stock card, so you can get some ideas for yourself right from them. So yeah, here's the wig without a headband and without the up down thing going on. I do typically like pull some of my hair out just to hide that edge to edge thing that they have going on in the front. But as you can see right here, it's not really that noticeable that I don't have any hair out. So you can wear this however you want, however you feel comfortable. You can throw a headband on it. You can wear it half up, half down. You can do like some braids in the front. Whatever you want. This wig is very versatile. The whole line is very versatile. I have a few of these wigs at this point, and I love the different curl patterns and styles that they're coming out with this line. This wave or curl pattern also reminds me of the Outre Peruvian half wig that they have. You can find that on like Amazon. I got this wig from Elevate Styles. I will go ahead as always and leave everything in the description box. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. I don't really have any cons about this wig. It was very easy to work with. It did not tangle, and it was not shedding like crazy. So that's a thumbs up in my book. If you have any questions, let me know down below. But until next time, see you guys.
I don't know if I ever felt like this before, but I'm sure that the way I feel, I don't want it to go, 'cause I climb my shaft here, and I sing my share of blues, but to keep you right here, I know I got to do something.